This is Circle Quilt Cover Die from Altenew. This is a high-quality steel die with one individual image. This beautiful die will cut a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch panel with a circle design, which will cover the front of an A2 card base. This stunning geometric design will never go out of style and will make an amazing backdrop for all your handmade projects. Cut this using the same color cardstock as your card base for a subtle background, or cut from bright, bold colors to create an eye-catching look. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines available in the market. To find out more about Circle Quilt Cover Die, its featured projects, and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.